This is special. With one swing of his gifted right foot.
I was born Somali, so when I come here at the age of 6, I played for local teams, and then Liverpool come and scouted me.
It will begin to look like a long shot if Abdi Sharif can make it 3-1 Liverpool here. Sharif, who improved and improved throughout the game, and now ready to make a big mark on this.
Choosing your battles, pick yourself up and dust yourself off, get back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's on, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you've got it all. Oh, now I'm a trolley, biggie, mama, 1 A to Z. He said I'm a trolley, biggie, mama, from east to west. Bachi, waka, my waka, my and this is summer flip, yeah. This one's for up now. She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. Daily struggle. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. Tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna go and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Rock-a-bye.
Which he does. 3-1 Liverpool.
That's another quality penalty there from Abdi Sharif. Massive penalty for Liverpool, just to give themselves a little bit more breathing space. And put
What I'm missing about Somali is my family. Like, my dad's side and mum's side are still there. To be honest, I've not the chance to go back, but when I do, I'm going to make the most out of it and enjoy it.
The indisputable truth of youth football is there's never a game that doesn't matter. Liverpool under-23s already knew they required Snookers to progress to the knockout stages of the Premier League International Cup before even taking to the field at a Chile academy in Kirkby on Thursday. But the final group game against Swansea City was still an opportunity for several players to continue their development, not least those stepping up from Barry Luda's U18 side. Abdi Sharif was the main beneficiary, having been handed his first start at this level after starring in the 4-0 FA Youth Cup win over Accrington Stanley on Monday night. The 18-year-old was involved in an early opening, taking a pass down the left from Juan Garcia to feed Lazar Markovic, who in turn found Glenn McAuley for a shot that was cleared off the line. There were moments when Sharif, who has been at the club since the age of 9, was made aware of the increased physicality of the older age group. He wasn't going to get any favors off referee Andrew Miller, that's for sure, but this was a welcome experience. and there's no doubting his talent, which was evident 12 minutes from time, when his pace and quality helped Liverpool secure a 2-0 win. Running on to a Pedro Chiaravella pass in midfield, a good first touch took him in between two Swansea players and allowed him to demonstrate his pace, racing into the box to the byline before finding the ideal cross for McAuley to head home. Sharif, who lasted the duration, has caught the eye with the successful U18 side this season on the flanks and, at least in flashes, here demonstrated why, primarily from the left wing. Coping with the extra physical edge of the game has also been an ongoing learning curve for striker McAuley, the Irishman having been prolific at U18 level before stepping up to the U23s. That's why the 18-year-old's role in Liverpool's opener will have pleased U23's boss Neil Critchley, McAuley showing good strength to win a high ball from a Swansea defender, and then imagination and execution in releasing Markovic down the inside left channel, the Serbian producing a good finish with his right foot. And while largely a bystander for much of the second half as Swansea pressed hard for an equaliser, he illustrated his knack of sniffing out a chance by being in the right place to head home Sharif's inviting cross. It was a decent night too for Shamal George, who made some good saves in the second half, while another U18's regular, Rhys Williams, emerged from the bench in the closing stages. Likewise, Bobby Duncan, who was given another taste of the higher age group with a late cameo when replacing Markovic. Liverpool's win ended a run of 4 successive 1-1 draws, and their clean sheet was the first since November. Sufficient positives, then, for Critchley and his academy staff,